and welcome to Learning with Fun, an educational channel. My name is Reet Udhan, and today in this video we are going to see gerund, what is gerund, where we use it, and how they function in the sentence. So let's begin with gerund in detail. Firstly, what is gerund? Gerunds are words that are formed with verbs but acts as noun. That is, we can say, when we use a verb in place of a noun, it is called gerund. A gerund is a noun made from a verb by adding ing. You can use gerund as the subject, as the complement, or the object of a sentence. Let's understand this. We have seen that subject and object has noun and pronoun, and they don't have any form. Like for example, Jessica went to school. Here, Jessica is a subject and it is a noun. Next example, she went to school. In this sentence, she is a subject and it is a pronoun. In both these examples, the subject is noun and pronoun. Now let's understand this with an example. Brushing your teeth is important. In this sentence, brushing is a verb. It is neither noun nor it is a pronoun. So we won't use as verb. Here in this sentence, it will be used as noun. So we call it as gerund. Let's understand with one more example. Exercising is good for your body. In this sentence, exercising is gerund because it acts as a subject in the sentence. Hunting tigers is dangerous. In this sentence, hunting is the gerund because it acts as a subject in the sentence. Now we saw the use of gerund as a subject. Let's see its use as an object and as a complement of verb to be. The example of gerund used as an object. He enjoys hiking. Here in this sentence, hiking is the gerund because it acts as an object in the sentence. The next example, Sarah enjoys singing. Here, singing is the gerund because it acts as an object in the sentence. Let's see one more example. Patrick likes photographing. Here, photographing is the gerund because it acts as an object in the sentence. Now let's see one more use of gerund as a complement of verb to be. So let's see to be in present and in past. In present, it is used with is, am, are, and in the past, it is used as was and were. Let's understand with example. The group's main goal is eliminating poverty. Here, eliminating is a gerund that acts as the complement to the verb which is to be formed. Let's understand with one more example. One of his duties is attending meetings. Attending is the gerund as it is used as a complement to the verb which is to be formed. So that's about gerund. Let's recall. Firstly, we saw what is gerund. Then we saw three different ways of using gerund. That is, they can act as a subject in the sentence, they can act as an object in a sentence, and use them as a complement of the verb to be. So that's all about the video. In the next video, we shall see infinitives and participles in detail. If you have any questions or suggestions, do mention in the comment box and I'll be happy to reply. So don't forget to press the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon and you will be the first to receive the latest updates. Do like, share and comment the video. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Happy learning.